We're going to be going and installing 3 science displays in Stockton, California. It's going to be a lot of fun. One for the human heart, one for the circulatory system, and one for bicycle generator heart race. The drive from Gilbert, Arizona took about 12 hours. We got right to work unloading the trailer. Everything we brought was for their newly imagined STEM interactive room. It will feature 2 of our exercise bike generators, a hand crank generator, and our heartbeat monitoring system. This is going to be the room where it's at. We get to install science displays here. I got some stuff hooked up here. Here's the hand crank generator with a big light indicator. Turn this guy. You can see. Turn this guy. It feels great to get these installed. It's done. It looks good. We're excited to see kids get on there and have a great time. All right, day 2. Got the bikes installed. They're lagged down to the cement. They're very secure. Cannot move these things. They're bolted down with 3/8-inch bolts. They're 4.5 inches long into the cement. So kids will get on here. They'll start pedaling. Then it'll change to this mode. It'll show heart pumping. Show the red arteries are spreading out to the extremities, the feet, the arms, the head as you pump. And the objective is to get all your veins filled and all your arteries filled and be the first one to do it. You can see right here, the blue veins, the blue arteries are filling up. Pretty soon they'll get to the end and you'll see some confetti right here. There it is. All right, that's it. That's how the game works. Then the software resets and it starts over again. So the museum is now going to have a new display for kids to play with. If you get a chance to go by Stockton, California, come check it out. Do you have any new ideas that you want brought to life? Please give us a call and we can make it pedal powered.